Lovely people, how you doing? This is Franksings and welcome to the Franksings vlogs.
And so today is the last day of the Portugal series part 3, and thanks for all those who have already watched all the vlogs and subscribed to this channel. It means a lot, guys. This is Vasco-da-gama. Let's get on with the B-roll. We are here in Vasco-da-gama for some important work, and my son is not keeping well, so we got to get some medicine first.
We have just entered the pharmacy in Vasco-da-gama. I'm just trying to buy some medicine for my son. He's coughing really badly. Just want to buy something. I don't know. She's trying to converse in Portuguese. Let's see if we can find something. Okay, she can speak English as well. So yeah, we'll just grab some whatever medicines we can and just resolve it from here.
There she goes.
Lisbon is a place full of architecture, but this place you get to see buildings full of glasses, a strong piece of concrete. It's a different site over here compared to Lisbon. Lisbon mostly all architectural buildings, and here all modern buildings with fountains and shopping malls. When you go around in Lisbon, you get to see shops which are not selling very modern stuff. The stuff that they have in shops, it's like a wealth out of waste. But still, it's a very popular place, full of tourists. There is so much to explore, guys. This place is called Orient, Vasco-da-gama.
So we are here inside the famous Vasco-da-gama mall. I'm going to show you around, do some shopping, have our meals, just relax, and then go on a cable car. After that, if time permits, we'll be going to Belem, which is full of landmarks.
Screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.
Here I am in Vasco-da-gama mall. This is pretty amazing. It's quite massive. It's quite elegant over here. The shops are quite modern. I've been over here going around since morning. I'm feeling very hungry right now. So I think it's time to pop into one of the coffee shops. I have some tea or snacks.
We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got
It's really hard to make a choice because there are so many eateries, KFC and stuff like that.
I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me? Why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
See, from the giant screens of these adverts to the modern shops and whatever you can think of, they have all sorts of things in this mall. Right now we are intending to go on that cable car. I don't know if you can see that somewhere over there, and we have to make this long way. It will take us about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. We are trying to hush up because we need to catch a metro and go to our hotel. I'm very much excited to go on that cable car. It's all in a haste. They've shut the door and we're in the cable car right now.
really windy and we could feel it somewhere in the middle. Okay, so here we are again going for a round trip. Landing stage. We're going to touch the ground now.
Yeah, we're gonna
1, 2, 3, go!
Sim.
Nome?
Ivo.
Yeah.
Ivo Martins.
Ivo Martins. His
Ah,
name is
taxi.
Ivo. Yeah.
Lisbon.
He's a nice guy. He's a good taxi driver.
Very good.
How much is it? 1065. Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
You speak English?
Yes.
Okay, it's pretty amazing. How do you do this? You don't have any electricity or...
So we use the bicycle
Okay.
to pedal the juice if you want to try it or
Okay.
someone.
Okay. So it's clean energy.
Yes, I will show you.
Okay, no battery, no
So
electricity.
we prepare the juices in the mixer.
Okay.
When you pedal it,
Okay.
it works. So we don't use electricity. Also our cups, they are not made of plastic. They are made of a material biodegradable. It's a rice flour.
This is not plastic at all.
No, so if
Alright.
you leave it in the floor, it will decompose.
Oh, it's pretty amazing, guys. So she's using very clean energy. She's running the mixer via bicycle.
We try to use less water as well and less waste as possible.
Okay. And this is pretty amazing. I've never heard of this, but she's saying like this is biodegradable.
Eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly,
kiosk.
that's right, yeah.
We have these two options. Unfortunately, we don't have the third. And if you want orange and banana only, we also have it.
Okay.
But-
Oh yeah.
Ah, yeah.
She's
that's-
got a...
Even without the sun, I can charge.
Yeah. She's got this music system running on her solar pads. I don't know if I'm showing you in the right place. Okay. And what's your name?
Julia.
Julia. I'm just trying to capture all these moments in my
Okay.
vlog. So it'll be in one of the vlogs on YouTube. What do you call for this?
This is the squeezer.
No, this is a
of the
squeezer
orange,
over here.
So we put the orange
Okay.
here, and then we have.
She squeezes the oranges
Fresh
here,
juice.
yeah. Nuts and fresh fruits. Okay, the bicycle here. So I'll just have a glass of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you like a bit of ice or?
Yes, please. Yeah, yeah. So you tell me when to start and when to stop.
It's until the banana is well.
Should I start?
Yes. Go ahead. You can
slow.
go faster.
Faster?
You can also change the gear.
Okay.
You can go faster. Yes.
is awesome. You can work at the same time. You can keep yourself fit.
Yes.
This is so nice.
And it's ready. Can I
Okay,
see
it's
the
ready.
banana is very liquid. Thank you.
That was nice.
So here is your veggie wave juice.
Can I use this?
Sure. They are also biodegradable.
Okay. So everything biodegradable, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Frank was exploring your veggies.
It's really good.
Good.
Yeah, I'm enjoying.
Yeah, the turmeric is like a special ingredient.
Yeah. Mm.
You like it?
Yeah,
Oh,
thank you.
I'm happy. Thank you.
So this place is called Capella Memorial. Yeah, that's what. This is the blended. Okay, guys, this is the glass. These are the glasses that I've worn here. It's like right now. I'm in Lisbon, Terminal 1, and I've seen these glasses in Vasco-da-gama.
We have it's chili beans, Brazilian brand. Okay, the brand have already more than 20 years.
Okay.
Okay, every state in Brazil, it's the biggest
Brand?
brand
Okay.
of glasses, sunglasses. Every week we have new collection, exclusive glasses and watches. So it's the best.
Yeah, okay.
The lenses are certified. Can I show you?
Yeah,
For example,
yeah.
this one. This one is nylon.
Okay.
Okay. So it's
Oh,
really
you can
difficult.
bend it and it's not even breaking.
you can see it. It's
Okay, it's that strong.
yeah.
And also with regards to this glasses, she said like I can actually see from the sideways of this glasses, I can see the person behind me.
Can I show you one of the watches? Okay, it's I think it's nice duo.
Yeah.
Okay, crystal mineral.
Okay.
The glass it's hard to scratch or broke. Stainless steel.
Okay.
So it's never change the color. Okay, water resistant.
Oh, so many things.
Yeah. Chili
Okay.
beans, only chili beans.
Chili beans. So
Okay.
what's your name?
Darina.
Darina. Okay, Darina, you'll able to see yourself on YouTube once I upload it. Okay, you'll able
Subscribe.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, please. All right then. Thank you. Goodbye Portugal. It was a memorable trip and I'm very happy. It was quite satisfying. I hope to see you again Portugal. And with this said, I would like to end this vlog with this perfect. Wow.
wonderful, wonderful instrumental cover by these three gentlemen who are playing Hallelujah. This is not for any copyright infringement. Please enjoy their talent. And if you like this vlog, please like, share and subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I need your support, guys. With this sad peace, and I'll see you soon.